Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your GK class. I, Anchal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your GK class. So students, in our previous session, we were doing unit number 7 and now I am starting with the next unit number 8. The name of the unit is the world around us. So unit number 7 was related to the sports, okay, and that we have discussed most of the topics related, or all the topics related to the sports only. So now we are talking about the next unit, that is unit number 8, and the name of the unit is the world around us. So this is the topic, that is world around us. So what is world around us? ये world around us है क्या? So in this topic we are going to discuss about the various things that are happening around us. जो हमारे अगल बगल, दैट डजंट मीन कि आपके पड़ोसी और आपके नेबर्स हैं, घर के बगल या स्कूल के बगल में, दैट डजंट मीन दैट. ओके, सो द वर्ल्ड अराउंड अस मीन्स पूरी दुनिया में जो कुछ हो रहा है. सो करंटली इट इज हैपनिंग, और जो पहले कभी हुआ है हमारे आसपास की दुनिया में जो भी चीज़ें हुई हैं, नॉट इन अवर कंट्री और नॉट इन अवर सिटी, एक्चुअली अराउंड द वर्ल्ड. तो देखिए वर्ल्ड अराउंड अस, नाउ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द होल वर्ल्ड. ओके, सो देयर आर सर्टेन टॉपिक्स we are going to discuss in this unit number 8. Okay, so then today's topic is let's dress up. This is given at page number 26. So all of you just open your books at page number 26, that is let's dress up. Okay, so I'm just writing the topic here, that is let's dress up, given at page number 26. So that is let's dress up, DRESS, dress up. This is the topic, let's dress up, given at page number 26. So what is the meaning of this topic, let's dress up? इसका मीनिंग क्या है? तुम टॉपिक तो let's dress up. देखिए the name itself signifies let's dress up. So here we are talking about the dress. Here we are talking about the dress, जो कपड़े हम पहनते हैं. So in this topic we are talking about the dresses that is worn all around the world. तो दुनिया में अलग अलग जो dresses हैं जो पहनते हैं लोग all over the world. Okay, so there are certain traditional dresses that are worn around the world by the people of the different countries, the people of different religions. Okay, तो अलग अलग जगह पे अलग अलग जो लोग रहते हैं उन सबका अपना way of dressing है. So they are just like in our country we are having several types of dresses, like in women's, some women wear suits, some wear saris, some wear jeans and tees, okay, some wears skirts and all. So there are lots of types of dresses, okay, that is prevailing in our country. So but there are some dresses that are traditionally adopted by the certain countries. So कुछ जो countries हैं उन्होंने कुछ traditional dresses हैं. Okay, so there are traditional dresses that you can see that they wear on some traditional occasion. कोई अपने occasion के लिए particular occasion पे वो क्या कहते हैं, there are certain dresses they used to wear. Okay, so in this topic we are going to discuss about the various traditional dresses of the various people of various countries. जो अलग अलग countries में अलग अलग लोग रहते हैं उनकी जो traditional dresses हैं जो वो अलग अलग occasions पे वो पहनते हैं. So we are going to discuss about them only. Okay, so this is the topic that is given at page number 26, let's dress up. So all of you just open your books at page number 26, that is let's dress up. The first one is, today there is a fancy dress party. People have come in the traditional clothes of various countries. So just they are telling the condition that they are just मतलब एक बता रहे हैं कि एक फैंसी ड्रेस पार्टी है, वहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोगों ने अलग अलग तरह के कपड़े पहने हुए हैं. And now by seeing those traditional dress, okay, traditional dress of various countries, not of our only country, अब हमारी सिर्फ इंडिया की नहीं, मतलब all around the world जो अलग अलग लोग हैं, अलग अलग कंट्री के लोग हैं, उनकी traditional dresses जो लोग कुछ पहन के आए हैं. And we are going to find out that which dress belong to which country. तो कौन सी country की ये traditional dress है. So starting with the first one, Rahman and Ria are dressed in Japanese kimonos. They are wearing the traditional footwear, gita, and with split toe socks. Okay, so now they have given the names of the countries एंड द नेम ऑफ द ड्रेस, ठीक है, जो ड्रेस वो पहनते हैं उसका नाम दिया है, उनके फुटवियर्स जो पहनते हैं उसका नाम दिया है, एंड द नेम ऑफ द कंट्री इज ऑल्सो गिवन. सो नाउ व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन, देखिए आपको क्वेश्चन आ सकता है दैट व्हाट वी कॉल द ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेस ऑफ जापान. ओके, तो आपको बताना है जो जापान की ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेस है उसका क्या नाम है. तो यू विल राइट डाउन किमोनोज. सो किमोनोज इज द ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेस ऑफ जापान. So this is how you are going to give the answers. Okay, so here the question is, here it is given that Rehan and Riya are dressed in Japanese dress, Japanese kimonos. तो जो रेहान और रिया हैं जो कि फैंसी ड्रेस कंपटीशन में आए हैं, they are wearing kimonos. So this is the tradition, kimonos is the name of the traditional dress of Japan. Okay, उन्होंने किमोनो जो ड्रेस पहनी है, as you can see in the picture it is given. Okay, so they are wearing the kimonos, which is the traditional dress of Japan. They are wearing the traditional footwear, that is gita with split toe socks. तो उन्होंने एक ट्रेडिशनल फुटवेयर भी पहना है, तो पैरों में उन्होंने, दे आर ऑल्सो वेयरिंग अ ट्रेडिशनल फुटवेयर. तो उस ड्रेस के साथ जो फुटवेयर पहनते हैं ट्रेडिशनल, उसको क्या बोलते हैं, दैट इज नोन एज गीटा. ओके, द ट्रेडिशनल फुटवेयर ऑफ जापान इज गीटा, द ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेस ऑफ जापान इज किमोनोज, एंड विद द स्प्लिट टो सॉक्स. स्प्लिट टो सॉक्स यू मस्ट हैव सीन कि मोस्टली जो हमारे इंडिया में जो लेडीज़ हैं वो पहनती हैं, कि जिसमें जो टो होता है, जो अंगूठा होता है पैर का, वो अलग होता है, बाकी जो 4 फिंगर्स होती है लाइक पैर की, वो अलग होती है. सो दैट इज अ स्प्लिट टो सॉक्स, इसमें कि टो के लिए अलग से जगह है, एंड जो बाकी फिंगर्स हैं पैर की एंड ओके उस फीट की, वो अलग है. ओके, सो दिस इज द रेहमान एंड रिया आर वेयरिंग अ किमोनोज, दैट इज फ्रॉम, that belongs to Japan. So that is the traditional dress of Japan. तो वो जापान की ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेस है. ओके, एंड अलॉन्ग विद दैट दे आर वेयरिंग द गीटा. गीटा इज द ट्रेडिशनल फुटवेयर ऑफ जापान दे आर वेयरिंग. नेक्स्ट इज दे आर ऑल्सो वेयरिंग द स्प्लिट, एंड दे आर वेयरिंग गीटा अलॉन्ग विद द स्प्लिट टो सॉक्स. तो एक स्प्लिट टो सॉक्स के साथ उन्होंने ये गीटा पहना हुआ है. ओके, सो जापान की कौन कौन सी ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेसेस है, दैट इज किमोनोज, फुटवेयर इज गीटा. ओके, so I am writing the name of the country and the traditional dress. The first one is Japan. So traditional dress of Japan is known as kimonos. K-I-M-O-N-O-S. K-I-M-O-N-O-S. This is the traditional dress of Japan. Moving next to the second one. Sheena and Meena are wearing cheongsams, the traditional Chinese dress. Okay, for women, it is a tight-fitting dress with a high neck and closed collar. Aren't they looking pretty? So there are two girls whose name is Sheena and Meena, and they have came for the fancy dress party. Okay, so this is going somewhere, and they have came for this fancy dress party, and they are wearing the cheongsams. Cheongsams is the name of the traditional dress of China. तो cheongsam कहाँ है, चाइना की ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेस है. द लेडीज जो पहनती है, जो वुमेन्स हैं, दे यूज टू वियर cheongsams. दिस इज द ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेस ऑफ चाइना दैट इज worn by the women's of the China. It is a tight fitting dress with a high neck and the closed collar. Okay, so it is a very tight fitting. तो वो एकदम फिटिंग की ड्रेस होती है. दिस इज अ वेरी टाइट फिटिंग ड्रेस. ओके, other than that, the collar of that dress is very high, so they are having the collar is closed. Okay, and the dress is very fitting dress, वो बिल्कुल fit dress होती है. This is the traditional dress of China. So aren't they looking pretty? क्या वो सुंदर नहीं लग रहे? So this is the last line what is mean. So cheongsams is the traditional dress of China, which is worn by the women of the Chinese country. China जो country की जो लोग, जो औरतें हैं, they used to wear this cheongsams. I have seen some in Chinese drama that they also wear these cheongsams in the during their wedding. So they also wear cheongsam during their wedding. जब उनकी wedding होती है, जब उनकी शादी जब क्या होती है, so they also wear these cheongsams only. Okay, some of them they wear these gowns like okay, and it is a tight, and this dress is very fitted. Okay, वो बहुत ही fitting वाली dress होती है. Okay, and other than that it has a high collar. तो इसका जो collar है that is also closed. Okay, so this is the cheongsams. Cheongsam is the traditional dress of China. So the answer, the second one is China. Second we are talking about China. China. So the traditional dress of China is cheongsam, Cheong, cheongsam. Cheongsam is the traditional dress of China. Cheongsam is the traditional dress of China. Clear? Moving next to the third one. Okay, so James and Jenny are wearing the national dress of Scotland. So now the James and Jenny, they are the two persons who came for the came in this fancy dress competition. Their name is James and Jenny, and they are wearing the national dress of Scotland. तो उन्होंने स्कॉटलैंड की एक नेशनल ड्रेस पहनी है. Okay, James is wearing a knee-length knit made of tartan. Okay, and woven cloth with checked bands. Okay, Jenny is wearing a skirt and a shawl made with the tartan. Both of them are wearing shoes called Gillet brogues. So this is the traditional dress of Scotland, and they have explained about the various. उन्होंने जो अलग अलग जो पोर्शन दे आर वेयरिंग द बॉटम टॉप्स एंड बॉटम, जिसे हम कहते हैं सूट्स एंड सलवार्स. So just like that, they have explained the various dresses they are wearing on the top and they are wearing on the bottom as well. So the first of all we are talking about the boy. Okay, that is his name is James. So James ने क्या पहना है? So James is wearing a knee-length knit made of tartan. So he is wearing a like a skirt. Okay, so this is the James you can see in the picture. So James, this is the traditional dress of Scotland. So James is wearing what we call it, he is wearing a knee length, वो knee मतलब घुटने की length तक he is wearing a skirt. Okay, he is wearing a skirt जो कि tartan. So this is the name of the cloth. So tartan is the name of the cloth. Okay, with which that knee length kilt is made. जिसको हम skirt जिसको that is known as kilt. Okay, that is known as kilt is the skirt that he is wearing. Other than he is wearing a woven cloth with checked bands. Okay, उसके अलावा उन्होंने एक चेक शेप में, you can see in the picture, he is also wearing a check shape band. Okay, other than the lady she who is dancing with him, her name is Jenny, and she is wearing a skirt. So the lady is wearing a skirt. She is wearing a skirt and a shawl made of tartan. So she is hanging a shawl also जो कि tartan से बनी हुई है. Okay, and that is also check. You can see check shape. Other than that, they both are wearing the footwears as well. So जो footwears उन्होंने पहने हैं, okay, that is known as Gillet brogues. So this is the name of the traditional footwear of Scotland. So this is the name of the traditional footwear of Scotland, that is known as Gillet brogues. Okay, so the Scotland is a country where the people, the women and the men, they wear the clothes in the traditional dress. They are wearing the clothes that are made of tartan. Tartan is the name of the cloth of which the man is wearing. The lady is wearing the skirts. So just like that skirt of the lady, so there is a skirt type एक structure में है. Okay, that is worn by the men, but it is जो skirts होती है वो थोड़ी खुली होती है, घेरदार होती हैं, जिसको but this the kilt that is worn by this man is not such in a manner कि वो इतनी खुली नहीं है, because he is just tight like this. Okay, so you can just see in the picture very clearly. So both are made of check. So both are in the check material, and both these clothes are made of tartan only. So traditional dress of Scotland is knit with a skirt or with a shawl that is made of tartan. The main thing is the tartan. The name of the cloth. जो cloth जो वो use कर रहे हैं, that is the tartan only. Okay, this is the name of the cloth. जैसे कहते हैं chiffon, cotton or some woolen. Okay, so this is the name of the cloth that they are wearing. So the next one is the Scotland kilt and skirt. Okay, so Scotland, that is Scotland. So people of Scotland, the ladies and the men of the Scotland, they wear kilt, K-I-L-T, kilt and skirt made of tartan, T-A-R-T-A-N. Okay, nails and skirt made of tartan. The name of the cloth is very important, that nails and tartan. Okay, Moving next to the fourth one. Okay, Misha and Manish are wearing Korean dress. So now the Misha and the Manish, they are wearing some Korean dress. So they are wearing the traditional dress of Korea. Okay, and the name of this traditional dress of Korea is hanbok. So hanbok is the name of the traditional dress of Korea. Misha's hanbok is made of long skirt called chima and a jacket called chogori. Okay, whereas Manish's handbook includes loose fitting trousers called paji with a shirt and a jacket. Okay, so now the traditional dress of Korea is known as hanbok. So the hanbok is the traditional dress of Korea. तो देखिए जो कोरिया के जो लोग हैं, their traditional dress is hanbok. So the hanbok is the name of the traditional dress of कोरिया. So जो कोरिया के लोग हैं उनके ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेस का नाम क्या है? दैट इज नोन एज हैंडबुक. सो व्हाट इज गिवन इन द हैंडबुक? देखिए जो हैंडबुक है इसके अंदर मेंस और वुमेन इनकी जो ड्रेसेस है दे आर सेपरेटेड. ओके, सो द नेम दे हैव गिवन टू द ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेस ऑफ कोरिया इज द हैंडबुक. Okay, but what they are wearing that is different from the man and the woman. They are different. Obviously the men's dress will obviously be different from the women's. तो जो औरतों की ड्रेस है वो आदमियों की ड्रेस से genuinely different होगी, but collectively they called it as the handbook only. Okay, and they used to wear this handbook during their wedding ceremonies as well. So if they do some kind of traditional weddings, so at that time they used to wear this handbook. तो उस जब traditional weddings होती है, especially in the royal families, they used to wear these handbooks. By the bride and the groom, they wear this handbook. Okay, so what is the handbook? So handbook is so for the man Manishas, जो Manisha है, sorry, Mishas, not Manishas, it's Mishas. The girl whose name is Misha, she is wearing a handbook. Okay, and in that handbook she is wearing a skirt, a very long skirt, as you can see in the picture. So she is wearing a skirt with a very long skirt. Okay, and the skirt she is wearing that is known as chima. So chima is the name of the skirt that she is wearing. Okay, so देखिए she is wearing a skirt that is known as chima and a jacket called chogori. So she is wearing a jacket and a skirt, but the skirt is known as chima and the jacket is known as chogori. Where is the Manish, who is the boy who is wearing the outfit of the traditional outfit of the people of Korea? Okay, so traditional outfit of the men of the Korea is includes loose fitting trousers called paji. So he is wearing a loose fitting trouser. So he is wearing a trouser means जिसको हम पैंट बोलते हैं नॉर्मल लैंग्वेज में. So that is very in the loose fitting, वो बहुत ही loose fitting की trouser है जिसको that is known as paji. जिसको क्या बोला था? That is known as paji. Okay, with a shirt and a jacket, along with the shirt and a jacket, and he is also wearing a shirt and a jacket. So this is the collectively the traditional dress of Korea. जो कोरिया की जो collectively मतलब traditional dress को क्या बोला जाता है? जैसे कि we call it hanbok. Okay, but the various uppers and bottoms that are worn by the men and the women of the Korea, they are also categorized. Okay, so the girl is wearing a skirt. एक लड़की जो है, जो औरत है, जो वुमेन है, शी इज वेयरिंग अ स्कर्ट एंड दैट स्कर्ट इज नोन एज चीमा. जो स्कर्ट वो पहनती है उसको चीमा बोला जाता है. एंड द अपर दैट शी इज वेयरिंग दैट इज इट काइंड ऑफ ए जैकेट एंड दैट जैकेट इज नोन एज चोगोरी. ओके, on the other hand, the man of the Korean mans, they used to wear the dress. Okay, they are wearing a loose trousers. तो वो नीचे एक loose trouser, एकदम ढीले ढाले ट्राउजर, मतलब पजामा टाइप्स होते हैं जिनको हम बोलते हैं. So we call it pajamas और loose trousers जिनको हम बोलते हैं. Okay, so they are wearing very loose trousers. Along with that, they are also wearing a shirt and a jacket on the top. So in the lower portion they are wearing, on the bottom they are wearing the loose pants or the loose trousers, and on the bottom and on the top they are wearing the shirts along with the long jacket. So you can see here in this picture. So that is a very so this is the traditional dress of the people of Korea, and you can see that it is very बहुत ही ढीली ढाली सी है. It is very loose fitting की dress है. So both the dresses of men and women, they are very loose fitting dress. Okay, so that is known as hanbok. So the traditional dress of Korea is known as hanbok. So this is the name of the traditional dress of Korea. So Korea, 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 that is handbook. Hanbok, handbook. Okay, so this is the traditional dress of Korea. Clear? Now moving next to the fifth one. Okay, so let's move to the fifth one. So before that I have to erase this one. चलिए, now we're moving to the fifth one. Okay, Lala and Jahan. Sorry, Laila and Jahan. Okay, Laila and Jahan are dressed in the traditional Indian clothes. So both of them are wearing the traditional Indian clothes, which is the traditional dress of our own country, India. Laila is wearing a sari and Jahan is wearing a kurta and dhoti. I don't think that much explanation is required regarding this. तो इसके बारे में आपको explain करना इतना ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप मुझसे ज़्यादा भी आप जानते होंगे. So this is the traditional dress of our own country. तो हमारे खुद की country की traditional dress है जिसको कि the women's the traditional we used to wear the saris. Okay, so sari is one of the traditional dress of our India. Okay, this is one of the traditional dress. देखिए हमारे बहुत सारे traditional dresses है. Somewhere it is घाघरा चोली, somewhere it is लहंगा, and somewhere it is suits are also there. Okay, so this as India is divided into the different India is a country of diversity. So we have lots of people with different traditions and different customs. Okay, so हमारे पास बहुत से religions के लोग हैं, बहुत ही customs को अपनाने वाले, बहुत ही cultural अलग अलग cultures के लोग हैं. So there the traditional dress is also different. Okay, so here we are talking about the one of the most popular traditional dress of the men and women that are worn by the people, that are worn by the men and women of our own country. That is kurta and dhoti kurta and the sari. The sari is worn by the people, the women of the women of India. Okay, जो साड़ी है वो औरतें पहनती हैं. Okay, along with the blouse and the petticoat. And there the men they wear the traditional dress. We include the dhoti and kurta. Okay, so they are wearing a kurta along with dhoti. Okay, so that you can see mostly in during the wedding ceremonies the people they used to wear these kind of dresses, dhoti and kurta. Okay, so this is the traditional dress of India is sari and dhoti kurta. Okay, for the women it is sari and for the men it is dhoti kurta. The fifth one is India, INDIE. इंडिया की ट्रेडिशन कौन सी है, ड्रेस कौन सी, दैट इज साड़ी, SARE साड़ी एंड धोती kurta. Dhoti kurta. So this is the traditional dress for the women and this is the traditional dress for the men of our own country, India. चलिए, now moving next to the sixth one, that is now we are going to talk about the Russian traditional dress. So now अब हम कौन सी जो रशिया की traditional dress है उसकी बात करेंगे. Neha is wearing a Russian sarafa. So the traditional dress of the Russian country is sarafa. Okay, she loves this long embroidered dress. She is also wearing a kokoshnik on her hat and the Russian footwear valenki, which is made of wool. So this is such a beautiful dress of Russia. You can see in the picture. This is such a beautiful dress of the Russian tradition. Okay, so this is the Russian dress. Okay, that is worn by the people, so the women of the Russian country, and it is one of the traditional dress of Russia. तो रशिया की एक ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेस है जिसका नाम है सराफा. सो सराफा इज द ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेस ऑफ रशिया. ओके, एंड इन दिस ड्रेस इज हैज़ अ लॉन्ग एम्ब्रॉयडरी. इसके ऊपर एक बहुत एम्ब्रॉयडरी, तो एम्ब्रॉयडरी का मतलब जो कि धागे से कढ़ाई होती है उसको हम बोलते हैं, हम कढ़ाई बोलते हैं. द नॉर्मल लैंग्वेज वी कॉल इट एज कढ़ाई. सो जो धागे की कढ़ाई होती है उसको हम मोस्टली एम्ब्रॉयडरी बोलते हैं. सो ऑन दिस सराफा दे आर हैविंग द एम्ब्रॉयडरी. ओके, एंड ऑन द हेड एज यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर शी इज वेयरिंग समथिंग ऑन हर हेड. एंड जो ये हेड के ऊपर उन्होंने पहना है दैट इज नोन एज कोकोशनिक. कोकोशनिक इज द नेम ऑफ द जो ये एक दे आर वेयरिंग ऑन हर हेड. तो उन्होंने अपने सिर पे जो ये पहना इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, कोकोशनिक. ओके, एंड द रशियन फुटवेयर वेलेंकी. वेलेंकी इज द नेम ऑफ द फुटवेयर दैट दे यूज टू वेयर अलॉन्ग विद देयर ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेस. So kokoshnik is the traditional you can head accessory you can say. तो जो सिर में जो एक वो पहनते हैं दैट इज़ द कोकोशनिक, क्योंकि ये एक तरह से आप कह लीजिए उनकी जैसे हम लोग कहते हैं कि मुकुट होता है, तो जस्ट लाइक दैट दिस इज सच उनकी तरह से मुकुट दे यूज टू वियर अलॉन्ग विद देयर ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेस, ओके, दैट इज नोन एज कोकोशनी। एंड अदर देन दैट दे ऑल्सो वियर द फुटवियर्स, जो अपने पैरों में फुटवियर्स जो पहनते हैं उसको वो क्या बोलते हैं, वेलेंकी। सो वेलेंकी इज द नेम ऑफ द ट्रेडिशनल फुटवियर दैट इज worn by the women of the Russia, okay, which is made of wool, and this velenki is made of wool. Okay, so the dress is known as sarafa. The Russian traditional dress is known as sarafa. The hat, the accessory that they wear on their hat, that is known as kokoshnik. The third one is the footwear, the traditional footwear that is worn by the women is known as velenki. Okay, so let's write it. Russia, RUSSIA. Russia is, तो रशिया के कौन कौन सा, दैट इज नोन एज सराफा, SARAFA, सराफा, दैट दे वियर, दिस इज द नेम ऑफ द ड्रेस. अदर देन दैट दे वियर कोकोशनिक, KOKOSHNIK. कोकोशनिक is the head accessory they used to wear, and the third one is the velenki, VALENKI. Velenki is the name of the footwear that they wear along with their traditional dress. Okay, this is the name of the footwear they wear along with their traditional dress. Clear? Now moving next to the last one, that is Hasina is wearing the traditional dress of Saudi Arabia, okay, called abaya. Hussein is wearing a thawb, a long dress till the ankle. He is also wearing a gutra and eagle on his head. Okay, so this is the traditional dress you must have seen, जिसको क्या बोलते हैं ना, इन द नॉर्मल हम कहते हैं कि शेख लोग जो पहनते हैं, आपने मूवीज़ में, टीवी में बहुत बार देखा होगा. अगर आपने कभी दुबई की कोई डॉक्यूमेंट्री देखी है तो उसमें आपको ये शेख जो होते हैं दे यूज टू वियर दिस काइंड ऑफ ड्रेस. तो शेख जो होते हैं, जो मैन होते हैं, दे आर नोन एज अ शेख. तो जो शेख होते हैं दे वियर अ लॉन्ग वाइट ड्रेस, तो वो एक लॉन्ग वाइट ड्रेस पहनते हैं अप टू द एंकल, तो एड़ी तक, एंकल मीन्स एड़ी, ओके, जो एड़ी तक की एक वो लॉन्ग वाइट ड्रेस पहनते हैं उसके, जिसको दैट इज नोन एज थाव, THAW, sorry, THAWB. थाव इज द long dress that they are wearing, and it is up to the ankle and it is in white in color. Other than that वो क्या पहनते हैं, गुटरा एंड ईगल ऑन हिज हेड. तो गुटरा पहनते हैं, गुटरा इज द जो व्हाइट रंग का कपड़ा वो अपने सिर पे पहनते हैं, दैट इज नोन एज गुटरा. एंड द ब्लैक बैंड विद दैट, जिससे कि वो अपना सिर के ऊपर बांधते हैं उस कपड़े को, दैट इज नोन एज ईगल. सो गुटरा इज द नेम ऑफ द white cloth that they are wearing on their head, and eagle is the name of that black band they are wearing on that white cloth. So the name of the traditional dress of the men of Saudi Arabia is, so what are the different dresses known as the thawb, 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 and on the head they are wearing the gutra and the eagle. Okay, whereas the women they are wearing abaya. जो women's हैं वो क्या पहनती है, abaya. अबाया जिसको हम इन द नॉर्मल लैंग्वेज वी कॉल इट, जिसको हम बुरका बोलते हैं, बट इट लुक्स लाइक द बुरका बट इट इज अबाया, इट्स प्रॉपर नेम इज अबाया. ओके, सो द सऊदी अरेबिया, ओके, सो देखिए द वुमेन्स दे ओनली वियर द अबाया, सो दे होल फेस इज कवर्ड, दे होल बॉडी इज कवर्ड, एंड दैट इज मोस्टली इन द ब्लैक कलर. अदर देन ब्लैक दैट इज ऑल्सो ग्रे और ब्राउन कलर में, कई कलर्स में होते हैं. तो बट दैट अबाया कवर्स द कंप्लीट बॉडी ऑफ दैट वुमेन. ओके, so Saudi Arabia. So what is the traditional dress of Saudi Arabia? That is the seventh one. Saudi, Saudi Arabia, ARABIA, Saudi Arabia. That is the abaya is worn by the women, ABAYA, whereas the men they wear thawb, THAWB, along with gutra and GUTRA, gutra and eagle, IGAL. So these are the names of the various dresses worn by the people from the different countries. Okay, so with this I'm just ending the session here only, class. So I'll see you again. Okay, and one more thing, that you must complete your work on time, so that your assignments on time, so that we can check it when you give your copies for the correction, kindly give your assignments that you have done for the GK as well, assignment notebooks of GK. Okay, so I'm just ending the session here now, so I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then everybody, have a good day.